Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. My name is Raluca Ghiță. I am a consultant in Aucotech and I would like to share with you our latest success, the interface between Engineering Base and ETAP. For those that did not use Engineering Base until now, Engineering Base is a container of a full data model for electrical documents, and ETAP is a software, a tool that will allow electrical calculations and simulations. To summarize, what will happen is that we are going to be able to publish data in EB, create, for example, a document, a single line diagram, and then we are able to share it with ETAP, perform our calculations and simulations in ETAP, and then we are going to be able to transport the result back in EB. For this, I would like to share with you an example. On the left side of the screen, we have Engineering Base, and on the right side of the screen, we have ETAP. You can see on the left side of the screen in EB that I have already created a project, an EB to ETAP interface project, in which I have created a series of devices, circuits breakers that I have successfully placed on a Visio in a single line diagram. Now, my purpose would be to have the data automatically transformed to ETAP so that I will be able to provide my calculations and my simulations in ETAP. For this, we were able to create a great tool which will allow us to have the data from the Visio transported directly into the ETAP software. You can see now that we are gathering the data, the devices that are being placed on the Visio in EB, and they are going to be transformed so that we can correctly publish them in ETAP. And once we are done, we see that the result is already provided in an XML data. But at the same time, we can see that in ETAP, our document, our single line diagram has been also successfully transported. We can see here from the images that they are one-to-one. The buses, the circuit breakers, and all the other components are being displayed in the same position as also in EB. From here, the user are going to be able to conduct any of the processes that the ETAP licenses will allow them to. But at the same time, we are able to add new elements on the document or on the single line diagram that has already been created in ETAP. Now that I'm ready with my calculations, I would like to bring the data and the results in EB, but also the two new components that I have added on the single line diagram. For this, I will start again in EB, an assistant which will allow us to bring the data correctly in the EB tree of the project. The data is being now imported, is being translated for EB, and we can see here that not only we have also added the buses that we can see in ETAP, but we can also see the new two circuits breakers that have been added in ETAP on the single line diagram.